I'm craving some burgers. Let's see what kind of burgers they have on the menu.
Welcome to the place that serves burgers. How may I take your order?
Yeah, it's my first time here. Can you tell me what's your favorite item on the menu?
My personal favorite are the grilled cheese, the double cheeseburger, and the mushroom burger.
Hold the fuck up! Did you just say mushrooms? Is that what I heard? Did I just hear mushrooms?
Yes, that is correct. I did say mushrooms. We do serve mushroom burgers here.
No, you can't do this to me. Do you not know what I am? I'm a mushroom.
Yeah, if you're a mushroom, then why is your name Toad?
Shut the heck up. I want to speak to your manager.